What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the Adidas Forum 84 Low Advance in a chalk white and cloud white colorway. So I recently picked this up over at Adidas.ca and I had no idea that this was actually a skateboarding shoe. This pair retailed for a price of $110 US or $140 here in Canada, and the official colorway for this shoe is chalk white and cloud white. So if you've been following my channel for the past couple months, you've probably seen I've put up a couple of Adidas Forum 84 reviews. And while I love the silhouette, the one thing I don't totally love is the strap that's on the sneaker. So I was browsing Adidas.ca and I came across this pair, and this was exactly what I was looking for. This is your Adidas Forum silhouette, however, it does away with the strap, which is something I don't really care for. So first off, here's a quick look at the box. And unlike your normal Adidas Forum 84s, these come in this black cardboard box. We still have the Adidas 3 stripes done on the top, and then on the side we have the Adidas trefoil logo. As for the shoe, so like I mentioned earlier, this is technically a skateboarding sneaker and it's done in this low top form. As we take a deep dive into the upper, starting things off with the toe box, here we have this very nice pebbled leather. We have these perforations on the top of the toe box, and the leather quality is very soft and it feels very premium. Wrapping around the front toe cap, we have this hit of this off-white colored suede, which again, similar to the leather on the toe box, feels like it's very high quality. We have more of this off-white colored leather which covers the eyelets of the shoe, and the bottom 5 eyelets are reinforced with these metallic eyelets in white. Underneath this we have the Adidas 3 stripes, which is constructed out of this pure white colored leather, and then in between this we have this perforated leather. Beneath this we have this white colored tumbled leather, and this is normally where the strap of the Adidas Forum is, but in this case they've removed the strap on the shoe, so it's purely here for aesthetic purposes. And then debossed on the lateral side only, we have the Adidas trefoil logo. On the medial side, you'll see there's this hit of suede, which partially covers the Adidas 3 stripes, and this wraps around the entire back heel of the sneaker. And then surrounding the bottom of the shoe, we have this off-white colored TPU heel clip, which gives you added structure and support for the back end of the shoe. For the laces, these come with a flat white colored lace, and then underneath this we have a padded nylon tongue, which is done in this off-white color. And then at the top we have this tag, which is done in this gray or almost light blue color, and again we have the Adidas trefoil logo. So the inner liner of this shoe is done in this white textile, and it's pretty well padded. As we move on to the insole is constructed out of Adidas, which is one of their proprietary cushioning technologies. And then on the heel we have the Adidas branding stamped on in white. So the upper of these Adidas Forums sits atop this off-white colored midsole, and embossed on the lateral side of the back heel we have the Adidas logo. On the medial side, you'll see how the forefoot and the back heel is split in the middle, and this exposes the EVA foam cushioning that's found within the shoe, and it's covered in what Adidas calls Dellinger web, which according to the website is supposed to help with impact protection. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your outsole, which is constructed out of this gum rubber finish. We have this circular traction pattern with the Adidas trefoil logo found from heel to toe, along with this red colored pivot point on the forefoot, and running down the center we have Adidas branding. So that breaks down the look and the construction of the Adidas Forum 84 Low Advance. For those wondering how these fit, to me I feel like they do run true to size, so whatever your foot actually measures as, I'd go with that same size. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in a size 10 and they fit me perfectly. If you guys haven't worn an Adidas Forum before, just to give you guys a point of reference, I'm a size 10.5, which is a half size up in models like the Ultra Boost 1.0 and 2.0, but I'm true to size in models like the 3.0 and 4.0. And if you haven't worn those before, I'm a half size up in the Yeezy Boost 350 V2, but I'm true to size in the models like the Yeezy Boost 700 V2. So hopefully one of those shoes helps you in some way, but simplest terms, stick true to size. Next up, in terms of comfort, so overall this is a pretty comfortable shoe. One thing I gotta point out though is that it is a little bit on the heavier side. However, there's a decent amount of cushioning within the sneaker, and I think that's because it's a combination of the Adidas insole along with the EVA foam in the midsole. It's not gonna be like a super soft feeling like Boost technology, for example, but for a retro sneaker and just for an everyday casual use shoe that I'm gonna be wearing these for, they feel really good on feet and I had no issues. Finally, in terms of the quality and craftsmanship on this pair, for a shoe that's 110 USD or 140 Canadian, the quality was really good. All the materials, from the leather on the toe box, the suede panels, everything from start to finish, it really felt like a very elevated premium sneaker, and honestly I was very surprised when I got them in hand. So if you're looking for a decently priced, well-made sneaker, look no further than this one. With all that being said, now let's lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Overall, even though I'm not a skateboarder and I'm just gonna be wearing these casually, I think this is a very solid shoe from Adidas. Style-wise, it checks all the boxes. It looks just like the Adidas Form, however, it eliminates the strap, which again, I didn't love. And then everything else from the comfort to the quality of the materials, everything was solid. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about the Adidas Form 84 Low Advance. How do you guys feel about this silhouette and how do you feel about the strap specifically? I'm curious to know if I'm the only one that feels that way about the strap or if the rest of you guys also share that same sentiment. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video.